All right, let's see. Go to Ludus, go to the environment guide, go to malware labs. Let's use Remnux as the Ansible role. We'll go in here. Let me make this smaller so we can see where I'm at. Okay, you'll add the role just like that. I've already added it, so it's going to error out saying, hey, this is already installed, yo. Cool. Once that's there, you're going to need to make a range. I already made a range. Basically, it's got this Debian server, and then more importantly, this Ubuntu server template, which right here has the Remnux profile. Cool. So what do I do next? So let's look. Yep, there's that. It wants me to grab that. Oh, template. Let's just look. Ludus templates list. And it looks like I have Ubuntu 22, and that is it. So cool. All right, so let's go to Ludus templates. And I have a template, so what do I have to do? It wants me to add the template. So great, I'll just do that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, cool, it's added. Let's see here. Build the template. Yep, gonna have to build that, I guess. Let's grab it from here. Great, build it. I'm not gonna wait around. I'm just gonna look what's next. Yeah, it tells me to wait, but I'm not going to. So let's see here. Then we want to set the config. So we'll do more like this piece. So we'll go back in here and we'll set the config to the Remnux. Because I'm in templates. So let's get out of this one, and that's pretty much it, actually. What? I guess not. So yeah. So what was I doing? Back. Oh yeah, that. Cool. Put that in here. Put Remnux in here. Boom. What? Configuration error template not found. Oh, it needs the template first before it can set it. Good to know. All right, cool. So Ludus templates, build templates logs f. Let's find out. Does that do that? Yeah. Okay, so I'm waiting to do stuff. So I'm going to pause the video and we'll get back to this kind of stuff later. Cool. All right, cool. Looks like it finished after 7 minutes. Sweet. So back to this stuff. Where's the set? Ludus template add. Did I already do this? I feel like I did this. Yeah, I did that. So anyways, let's go back to actually setting. What's going on here? I'm probably not in the right directory. So let's try being in the right directory. Cool. All right, now this would set. Cool. And let's just see what happens when we deploy this thing. Go. Okay. Ludus range logs f. Go. All right, well, I'm going to pause this for now and see what happens. So looking on the Proxmox side, Debian's already going. Other stuff's happening. Ah! My bad. Creating a VM from template. There's the Remnux. So hopefully that'll be up and going here in no time. pause for a moment and, oh, I can already log in. I'll wait, but let's see what's on the other side here. It's still doing stuff. So I'll pause for now until this is at a different state. All right, let's check back in. What's going on here? Looks like it's adding a bunch of stuff, installing, getting Remnux CLI, a bunch of other stuff. Cool. I guess keep on pushing on. Great. All right, well, pause this and I'll be back. All right, so I talked to the developer and they were like, whoa, depending on your disk, your internet speed, all that good stuff, at least, I'm paraphrasing now, at least wait up to an hour. So I'm just going to say this is done and stop the video here. So enjoy your malware lab with Remnux.